Hola, buenos días, mama, papa. Buenas tardes, tío, tía. Buenas noches, abuelo, abuela, grandma, grandpa. Just left second year infants and I'm here with you. Safety first, okay? All right, so today I'm dressed in my national colors and we are going on an adventure. So stay tuned. Hola. Vamos a viajar en avión. Let us go and travel by plane. And we are traveling by Caribbean Airlines. That's our airlines. So we just left Piaco and we are going here. Do you know where here is? It's the bird sanctuary. Can you see the green and the water around? We are going there now. The bird sanctuary is filled with mangrove and many little waterways. To get there, vamos a viajar en barco. Let us travel by boat. And when we are traveling by boat, this is what we are going to see. The bird sanctuary, the home of our national bird, the Scarlet Ibis. Right. I know a lot of you will say, Miss, we do that already. I draw that. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. We did that already. And let's see if you remembered. This is what we did. First, we drew the number 2. Then, we did a small circle, right? And we drew it on the head here. Then, we took the oval and we put it here. And then we formed our Scarlet Ibis. Right? Keep that thought. Now, before we move on, remember when we are drawing, we need to put our work either portrait or landscape. Let's look at the image again. If you look at the image, you will see that the image is portrait. Now, we are going to perfect what we are doing. We are going to estimate. Estimate means making a wise guess. In art, there's maths. So, when you draw the circle, you're going to pitch it like this to estimate how long that beak is going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the neck. 1, 2. Let's look at the body. Again, look at the head. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Right? Let's look at the feet. Again, look at the head. 1, 2. The first leg is 2. And the second leg, let's measure again. 1 and a half. So this time, even though you know it's a circle, a 2 and an oval, you're going to estimate now. All right. Lights. So, I went and I did it beforehand, right? It's okay, you can rub off, it's okay. So here it is, we have our, first, remember our number 2, our small circle. From the circle, we're going to estimate. So you don't just draw the beak. Remember, you've got to measure. Then you're going to go to the neck, then you go to the body. All right, girls? So that's what we're going to do today. Next week, we're going to paint, but I'm going to give you a peek in what we're going to do. Lights? Now, I know that you learned about 3D shapes. 3D shapes refer to our rectangular prism, also known as a cuboid, a sphere, a cube, a cone, a cylinder, triangular prism, or pyramid. In our next lesson, we are going to look at the Scarlet Ibis. Yes, this is what it is. It is a 3D figure. And in our next lesson, we are going to learn to paint our 3D figure. So girls, that ends our lesson. You could always rewind and look at the Scarlet Ibis again. I'm going to end with that. I have to go now to standard 2, so I must put back on my mask. Adios.